my name is Hannah, your favorite perfectly imperfect scribble artist, and welcome back to the live stream recap. Every Tuesday night from 9 to 10 o'clock Central Standard Time, I go live on TikTok and Instagram and take drawing requests from you. I sit there and I draw them, and it's super fun. And I am now going to be posting recaps on YouTube. So if you missed the live on Tuesday and you still want to be able to watch what it was that I was making, maybe you're stressed out and you just need something to calm you down, watching me draw is very relaxing, so I highly recommend it. I will now be posting recaps. So you can see each video will have a recap of one of the drawings from my lives, which means there will be several YouTube videos for every live stream. So without further ado, let's get on with the video, but don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, all the things, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, someone suggested this one, and I thought it was a really good suggestion, so I'm gonna do it. I'm a fan of this one. A little creeping it real action. So sorry to everyone on TikTok. It seems like I keep going in and out of connection. This mirror is shimmery gold, so it's very, yeah, don't even worry about it. It's super, it looks super stunning. Okay, so I hope you like the idea that I had behind this. I feel like it's missing something. I could add her crown. Ooh, a bloody apple on the floor. That's a good idea. Got the apple. Maybe I'll add her crown. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and also don't forget to set a timer for next week's live stream, 9 o'clock Central Standard Time. I hope to see you there.